To fully embrace the design opportunity within the cabin, our Spaceship crew seat really is an iconic feature, and we've tailored our seats for each individual astronaut. We've used the highest grade aluminium and carbon fiber manufacturing techniques, and we've cantilevered the structure from the cabin sidewalls. Your seat's also dynamic and enhances comfort during each stage of your flight. When you leave your seat in space, it reclines to maximize cabin space for you to enjoy weightlessness, and it remains reclined during re-entry, so we direct and optimize G-forces without detracting from the thrill of the ride. We've provided each astronaut with their own personal digital display within the seat backs. The display gives us the opportunity to share live flight data with you, so speed, G, the boost time that's remaining of your flight, all helping provide more memorable magic touches to your experience. Under Armour manufactured the technical knit material. It's extremely lightweight and requires no stitching to just ensure that perfect fit onto your seat. We also worked closely with Seymour Powell to develop our colour and material palettes. We wanted a harmonious connection to your spacesuit, so we've used blue and teal colours and hues to work with that. But also, we've incorporated gentle nods of colour to space itself and a connection back to Earth. The cabin's lined with an extremely lightweight and soft engineered foam with a honeycomb structure. Functionally, we were able to improve thermal and acoustic qualities of the cabin, but the lining also provides a soft touch as you explore the cabin during weightlessness. Your view's the focus of your time in zero-G, and to guide you towards experiencing this incredible moment, we've got 17 windows, each bordered by a soft circular halo which helps focus and frame your view. We've designed the halo edges to allow you to move around the cabin and to perfectly position yourself to view Earth below. In zero-G, the cabin effectively becomes a 360-degree climbing frame. We're fortunate enough to work alongside several astronauts at Virgin Galactic, and their experiences of space tell us that it's deep, deep black, and that Earth is extremely bright, giving us the most beautiful and natural light source on board. But we also know the importance of lighting in our environments and how we can use that to enhance your experience. So we've taken the opportunity to incorporate lighting into our spaceship as well. We use it functionally, for example, when you're boarding and preparing for your flight. We've also programmed it for different phases of your flight, whether it's using a calming colour on your cruise up to release altitude, or we can add more vibrancy through the energetic rocket boost phase, or we turn it off completely whilst you're in space. And it's during this phase we let Earth itself provide the ultimate beautiful lighting. We know our customers want to perfectly record every aspect of their experience, and we've ensured that we've got this covered. There's no need to take your own camera, as we all know your time is going to be spent enjoying weightlessness and those amazing views back to Earth. We've built in 16 cameras on board to record every one of those moves that you make on your trip. We're always wanting to add those personal, magic moments to all of our experiences, and we've added another one on board with the inclusion of a large circular mirror at the back of the cabin. While 16 onboard cameras will be capturing your every move for later viewing, we felt you should also be able to see yourself enjoying the freedom of weightlessness in real time, illuminated by the natural, beautiful brightness of the Earth.